In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GameSir G7 SE to app. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The app that can be used in conjunction with this controller to customize it is labeled or titled Nexus, and you can download it from the Microsoft Store, which means that you can download it either on an Xbox console or a PC, so it is available on both of these platforms. For this video, I'm going to be showcasing how to download the app for PC, but you can absolutely follow along through an Xbox console. First, make sure that it is connected to your platform of choice. So you plug one end of the USB cable into the controller and the other one into the console or PC where you will be using it. Make sure to really force this cable in. This is something that a lot of people have noticed. You need to apply a lot of pressure to get it properly snugged in. Now, you can download this GameSir Nexus application through the Microsoft Store. It is available for free as soon as you look for GameSir Nexus. This brings more customization to your controller. Create controller profiles by mapping buttons, tweaking the pad diagonal, fine-tuning sticks, triggers, and configuring vibration levels. You can see some screenshots here, and as soon as you download the app and you have the controller connected, it will be detected right away. There is no secret to this. Once you have the controller here, you can find all of the buttons that are assigned. You can change some of them, for example, the back trigger buttons. You have some options: swap left stick and D-pad, D-pad diagonal lock. You can see the direction control here. So because you have the joystick selected, this is displayed, but you can highlight other buttons, can go over to sticks, motion triggers, vibration, and plenty of other options. You can also update the firmware on your controller through this app, so always make sure to keep it up to date to receive the latest functions and features. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.